Want to make sure your Obsidian installation is up to date? In this video, I'll show you where to check for updates, how automatic updates work, and what to do if Obsidian needs an installer update. On desktop, Obsidian regularly checks for new application updates. To see your current version and check for updates manually, open Settings, then go to General. At the top, you'll find the current versions of Obsidian and its installer. Normally, you don't have to update Obsidian manually. If automatic updates are enabled, Obsidian will download available updates and apply them the next time you restart the application. But if you want to check manually, simply click Check for Updates. If an update is available, Obsidian will offer to relaunch. Click Relaunch, and the update will be applied. You can also disable automatic updates if you'd rather control when Obsidian updates. Occasionally, Obsidian also needs an installer update. This is separate from the normal application update and can't be installed through the automatic update process. If Obsidian, a community plugin, or a theme tells you that an installer update is required, go to the Obsidian website, download the latest installer, close Obsidian, and run the installer just like you did when you first installed the application. And that's all you need to know about keeping Obsidian updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.